Hello. I recently went to Belk because I needed to get some things. I needed to get a dress for like a project, all these things. So I just thought it'd be fun to see what all I got. And I may actually try them on this time. I mean, I got a lot of things. Okay, this one's kind of cute for a travel outfit. Can tie that. It zips on the side and then here as well, which is cool. These pockets, I think I like. What do you think of this one? There are no pockets, but it has like this little zipper thing. Not zipper thing. Drawstring thing. Ooh, make her tight. Button bra. These shorts. I don't think so. These are the medium. I mean, I don't hate it, but like the shorts are like a little, oh gosh. I mean, I could bring them up some more, but yeah, the shorts are a little big, but I love the pattern. Free people. This is the size, the small. It's so baggy, but this is the way it's supposed to be, right? Oh, I kind of want it. Option 1. She's okay. This one's cute. All the little details. I'm wearing a small. I do think maybe I could wear an extra small. Like, look how fun and gorgeous. This is pretty much the same thing as like the other one, but it's a romper. Back's pretty much the same. Okay, I'm gonna have all this stuff linked for you all.